If you want to see Miss V make her first mesh wreath, stay tuned.
Go back.
Welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here today. How's everybody doing? In this video, I'm going to be making my first mesh wreath. And this video is in participation with the seasonal wreath challenge that's being hosted by Pam over at Creative Homescape. She's asked us to make a wreath that pertains to the particular season. She does this every season now. So I'm going to be decorating a fall wreath for my daughter. So if this your first time seeing my face, hey, how you doing? I am Miss V, and my channel focuses on saving money. Anything that pertains to helping you save money, whether that be repurposing an item you already have, turning trash into treasure, shopping at the Dollar Tree, shopping on the clearance rack, couponing, or just not shopping at all. And just reuse the items you have. That's what my channel basically is focused on. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. And if this is some content that you enjoy, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share this with your family, friends, your haters, your trolls, your next door neighbor, baby mama cousin, uncle, everybody. Share this video because this is going to be my first time doing a mesh wreath, and I think it's going to be wonderful. So without further ado, let's get into this video. What I'm going to be using is this 18-inch wreath form that I purchased from Walmart for $2.77. The ones at the Dollar Tree are too small, so I wanted me a larger one. And I'm going to use this little ribbon here and some mesh. I bought four things of mesh, and we'll see if it's going to be enough. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and tie some of this around the wreath, and you'll see why later. But the wreath that I'm going to be my inspirational wreath is one that I purchased, a mesh wreath that I purchased from the thrift store. So that's how I got my inspiration. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this on the wreath form. You don't have to watch me do that, and I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and pre-tied all my ribbon so that I don't have to try to do that and wrap the mesh at the same time. So this is what I've done. I just started out with a big loop, tied it, loop, tied it, and that's what I'm just keep doing. And we'll see how it turns out. Loop, tie. Just kind of eyeball your loop, see if they're the same size. And just tie it on one of these ribbons that are already tied. Tie it like this. Gonna be the next one, then I go to that one. Loop, tie, loop, tie, loop, tie. Then this is the next one that's already tied, so I go to that one next. I'm just eyeballing it. Make sure all the loops got the same size. So I'm keep doing this, and I'll be back. This is what we have so far. We're gonna go to the second thing of mesh. Keep doing the same thing, loop, tie, and loop. It's taking shape. This is the second roll of mesh. See, it's getting fuller and fuller. So what I'm actually doing, like the ones that are already tied, I'm adding more mesh on top of that. Like this one, I will go ahead and add another mesh right here. And I need to tie one right here so it can be full on the outside. So I'm going to tie one right here. That one's already tied, so I'm just going to loop this and just tie it on top. Kind of make it look fuller. And that's what I'm doing all the way around. what I have so far. Looking pretty good, right? So on my last thing of mesh, I think this gonna do it. Like fill in those gaps. I'm all finished, so this is Miss V's first mesh wreath. I think it turned out pretty good. It's a little fuller in some areas than others, but for my first time, I'm proud of it. So now we're gonna decorate it. Scarecrow that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take it off this dowel, and I was thinking about putting it right there. I think that would be cute. Something different. Let's see. Let's take it off the dowel first. Uh-oh. Look how easy it is. And I can use... Well, it ain't that easy. Not as easy as I thought. So I'm just going to cut it off and I'll be back. Okay. This scarecrow that was on the stick, it didn't work out well. But I had one that's on the stand. That's on the stand. And I like the way he looks better. I think I'm going to put him right here in the middle. Glue his hands right there. And then add me some pumpkins. I think I'm going to be finished with this. Let's see how that looks. Take this out. Let's see. Glue him directly to the wreath frame. Try to glue it where his head would stand up. That wreath form. I just clipped one of them on there to see how they're gonna look. So this is what we have. It's a scarecrow. This is right in the middle of the wreath. I think I like that. I'm gonna get his hands right here. We'll just have to wait and see his face. And I'm just gonna add some pumpkins down here by his feet. This product, I ended up adding some of this wired ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Even though that's the same color as the wreath, it gives it a little more dimension because it was looking a little plain to me. So I just added those pieces in there. Then I made her a wreath or hook with the last little piece. I think this looks better, even though the orange kind of blends in. That's it. So this is the final product.